How many calories are in chicken breast? Chicken is king when it comes to protein, and everybody knows it. The protein in a chicken breast simply cannot be beat. Adding chicken to your diet may help support weight loss, muscle growth, and bone health. Low in fat and highly nutritious, chicken breast is an excellent choice for a healthy diet. This food is especially popular among bodybuilders because it is essential for building and repairing your tissues and maintaining muscle mass. Grilling and baking are a few of the healthiest ways to enjoy chicken. And there are many ways to enjoy a good chicken breast, including shredded in a salad, grilled over rice or with vegetables, sliced on a sandwich, as a substitute for a beef patty, tossed with pasta, or in a wrap with salsa and hummus. But how many calories, exactly, are in chicken breast? Today's video will answer that question. On average, according to the United States Department of Agriculture, one medium, boneless, skinless and baked chicken breast has 193 calories, with 36 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat, and 0 carbs. And one medium chicken breast, boneless, skinless, fried and no coating has 211 calories, 36 grams protein and 7 grams fat. Do you like our videos? Please hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming informative videos like this. See you in the next video. Live healthy and happy.